Good day, sir. My name is Rafael Cifrania from the group of Jamila and Hernandez Ashley. So, the first topic on our topic proposal is the automotive tools and uses. So, the possible website name for this is the autotool.com. So, the problem in the field of automotive technology, students are expected to develop both theoretical knowledge and practical skill to prepare for future employment. However, many students encountered various challenges in the learning environment, particularly during hands-on activities and workshop sessions. For instance, students from Batangas State University (TNEU) and other institutions offering automotive programs often face several issues. First, there's a lack of sufficient knowledge about different automotive tools and their specific function, as not all students are fully familiar with the proper names and uses of this tool. Second, some students experience difficulties in using the tools correctly and efficiently, which can affect the quality of their work and learning outcomes. Third, safety concerns arise when students handle tools without adequate guidance or awareness of safety protocol. This challenge highlights the need to implement effective solution and proactive procedure that will enhance student understanding, promote proper tool usage, and ensure safety within the automotive workshop. So next is the solution. Tools information and description. A comprehensive catalog of automotive tools with image, names, function, and classification to help students easily identify and understand each tool. Second, tutorial and demonstrations. Step-by-step guides, videos, and animation demonstrating the proper use of tools and equipment in various automotive procedures. Third, safety awareness section. A dedicated page that discusses workshop safety rules, correct handling practice, and the importance of personal protective equipment or PPE. And next is interactive quizzes and assessment. Online quizzes and review exercise to help students test their knowledge and reinforce what they have learned. Fifth, user-friendly design. The website will be designed with a simple navigation and a responsive layout so that students can access conveniently on any device. So, what is the improvement? Students will have the better understanding of different automotive tools, their names, and their uses. Students will know how to use automotive tools properly and safely. Students will become more aware of safety procedure inside the workshop. Fourth, student can study anytime and anywhere through the online learning website. Fifth, the website will provide extra learning material for both student and teacher. And sixth, students will improve their computer skill and ability to learn independently. So, what are beneficiaries? First, student, especially in the automotive course. Second, instructor, especially in the automotive course also. School, it can be additional resources. And lastly, everyone outside the school that want to learn and want to become a mechanic. So what our overview? First, before the homepage, there will be a short greeting for the user along the video tutorial on how to use the website. Second, the homepage will display different categories of tools such as a power tool, hands tool, and proper PPE. So third, when a user clicks on a category, they will automatically be directed to the page for that specific category. 4. On the selected category page, only tools from that category will be shown. And fifth, when the user clicks on a specific tool, information about the tool, its function, uses, and a video tutorial, if available, will be displayed. 6. Proper PPE will be also shown on the homepage as a category. Clicking it will display the required PPE for the workshop. And last, additionally, the homepage will include information about the 5S principle which can be assessed by clicking each section. And that's all for the automotive tool.